Hello बच्चों. So in this problem a particle is projected with velocity 10 under root 2 meter per second. Now this is an inclined surface at angle beta from horizontal. It is given that after elastic collision with the inclined plane, the particle rebounds normally with the plane and retraces its path. So to rebound normally it must strike normally. So it strikes normally to this surface and then it retraces its path and returns to the original position. We have to find this time, the time in which the particle returns to the point of projection. So let us see how we can solve this problem. So the idea here is that it will strike the plane normally and then it will retrace its path. So those of you who want to try can give it a try, then see the solution. So in this kind of problem, we apply equation of motion along the inclined and perpendicular to incline. So perpendicular to incline, there is an acceleration, the component of gravity, it comes out to be g cos beta, and along the incline, we get a component down the incline, and this is g sin beta. Similarly, if we assume that this point of angle of projection is theta from the incline, so the initial velocity along the incline will be v cos theta, and perpendicular to incline will be v sin theta. So let us apply equation of motion along the incline and perpendicular to incline. So as we can see that parallel to incline, the initial velocity is v cos theta, and when it strikes this surface, it strikes normally. So therefore, there is no component along the incline. So therefore, the final velocity along this direction is 0. So basically, this is the situation. This particle strikes normally and then retraces its path. So let us assume that time of flight is t, that is to go from this point to this point. The time taken is capital T. So by applying equation of motion along the incline, that is u plus at equal to v. So along the incline, initial velocity is v cos theta. Acceleration is g sin beta, that is in opposite direction. So we will take minus g sin beta. And in time capital T, it lands at this position where velocity becomes 0. So we are applying equation of motion for this path from here to here. So the final velocity is 0 along the incline. So from here we get cos theta as gt sin beta by v. So that comes out to be g by under root 6. So basically we don't know theta, therefore I am trying to obtain cos theta from here, and now applying equation of motion along the perpendicular direction, we can obtain time of flight as 2 into upward velocity upon acceleration, that is 2v sin theta upon g cos beta. Now from here we get sin theta equal to gt cos beta upon 2v. Now by putting value, v is given to be 10 root 2. So by putting value, we get sin theta equal to t upon 2 root 3. Now we have obtained cos theta and we have obtained sin theta. So by trigonometric identity, we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta will be t square upon 4 into 3, that is 12. So sin square theta is t square by 12, and cos square theta यहाँ से आ जाएगा t square by 6. So by solving, we get value of capital T as 2 seconds. So therefore, particle has taken time 2 seconds to go from this position to this position. So therefore, required time, ये पूछा गया है इसमें कि कितने टाइम बाद ये वापस पॉइंट ऑफ पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा. So ये पाथ को एग्जैक्टली रिट्रेस कर रहा है. तो यहाँ से यहाँ जाने में 2 सेकंड लगा है, तो वापस आने में भी 2 सेकंड लगेगा. So therefore, the required time which is asked in question is 4 seconds. So this is the answer. So the time in which particle returns will be 4 seconds. So this is the answer. Thank you.